Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the RunSTAR 4E Smart Body Fat Scale, designed to give you a deeper understanding of your health with detailed body insights and a modern, user-friendly design. With seamless app syncing, multiple user support, and quick, reliable readings, it makes tracking your fitness progress simple and efficient for everyday use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the RunSTAR 4E Smart Body Fat Scale, 1.5-volt AAA batteries, user manual, product features. The RunSTAR 4E Smart Body Fat Scale uses advanced, high-sensitivity sensors to deliver precise and consistent body measurements every time. It tracks important body composition data to give you a deeper understanding of your overall health, beyond just weight. This helps you clearly monitor progress and make better informed decisions for your fitness and lifestyle goals. The scale connects seamlessly with a dedicated mobile app, allowing all your health data to sync automatically in real time. Your measurements are securely stored and organized in one place for easy access and long-term tracking. This makes it simple to view trends, compare results, and stay updated on your fitness journey anytime, anywhere. Designed for shared use, the scale can automatically recognize and switch between different users without manual selection. Each person's data is stored separately, ensuring accurate and personalized tracking for everyone. This makes it an ideal choice for families or households where multiple people want to monitor their health individually. With its step-on technology, the scale activates instantly as soon as you step on it, providing quick and reliable readings within seconds. There is no need for complicated setup or repeated calibration, making it extremely user-friendly. It ensures fast, effortless daily health tracking so you can stay consistent without any delay. Technical specifications. App connection. Download the StarFit app from the App Store or Google Play. Then make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Open the app, create your account, and complete your basic target settings such as height and goals. This setup ensures the scale can provide more accurate and personalized body measurements. Step on the scale to turn it on so it becomes ready for pairing. Open the app and tap the Connect button to search for your device and link it instantly. For proper detection, stand barefoot and place your feet evenly on all 4 electrode areas to ensure a stable and accurate connection. Remain still on the scale for a few seconds while it completes the full measurement process. The data will automatically sync to the app once the reading is finished without any extra steps. You can then view detailed results, track your progress over time, and monitor your health metrics easily anytime. How to use. Before using the scale for the first time, turn it over and open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries carefully, making sure the positive and negative symbols on the batteries match the markings inside the compartment. Close the cover securely so the scale powers on correctly. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface such as tile or wood flooring, avoiding carpets or uneven areas. Step onto the scale with bare feet to begin the measurement process. Stand still and keep your weight evenly balanced until the readings appear on the display. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. Product comparison. The RunSTAR 4 eSmart Body Fat Scale features a tempered glass platform with a slim, compact design built for stable, everyday use. It's designed to feel sturdy underfoot while maintaining a lightweight and modern form factor. The Wise Scale X also uses a tempered glass surface with a slightly larger, more refined build that feels solid and durable. It is designed for long-term household use with a clean and minimal aesthetic. The RunSTAR 4E comes with an LCD display that clearly shows essential body metrics in a simple and readable layout. It focuses on quick, on-scale visibility for basic health data without requiring the app every time. The Wise Scale X features a hidden LED display that activates when stepped on, showing weight and basic readings directly on the scale. It is designed for a cleaner look while still providing instant feedback. The RunSTAR 4E provides multiple body composition readings, such as weight, BMI, body fat, muscle mass, body water rate, and bone mass. It supports up to 13 metrics on the scale, with expanded data available through the app for deeper tracking. The Wise Scale X also offers up to 13 body metrics, including weight, body fat, muscle mass, heart rate, BMI, and more. It uses bioelectric impedance analysis, BIA, to estimate body composition with a focus on general fitness tracking. The RunSTAR 4E connects via Bluetooth and syncs with the StarFit app, supporting multi-user profiles and detailed progress tracking over time. It is designed for structured health monitoring with easy data storage and analysis. The Wise Scale X connects through Bluetooth to the Wise app and supports multiple users with automatic recognition. It also integrates with popular health platforms, allowing users to sync and view their data across different fitness apps. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.